Well, so this is my sixth video of the day, and I have to say this, yeah, that each time I go back and think, just why am I shooting these videos? I have to just remember the fact that when my mom was alive, she had so many tips and techniques, and you know how it is, right? All of us have our mamas who are like the treasure trove of information, like beta ye oil use karo or do this or do that. So I don't have a mom right now. Like I lost my mom 5 years ago, so in that sense, I kind of miss that one sounding board that we should have. God, I'm getting emotional in this video, but so that's what. So the primary purpose behind my videos is that more people should know of things that in my life what I experienced to be true. So I think in your own little way that's some sort of samaj seva, or and you enjoy the whole process. So yeah, people, I I won't bore you all for more than 1 minute. So on that note, thanks for watching and please subscribe.